In this problem, we want to come up with an equation of a line through this point given this slope. So what's a little bit difficult about this problem is, first, be careful with your negatives, and second, negatives and the slope. The slope's a fraction, so it might make things a little messy, but sometimes it works out nicely. So let's check it out. I'm going to use point slope. You could take the route of taking this ordered pair, this slope, and just directly plugging it into point slope, where in point slope, the m is your slope, b is your y-intercept. That's a route of plugging in just like that, but we don't have the y-intercept, so we'd have to plug in the y value, the x value, and then the slope, and then solve for b. But I'm going to go ahead and use point slope. So point slope is taking your x1, your y1, so y minus y1 equals the slope negative 2/3 times x minus our x1, which is 0. Okay. One huge key to this problem right here, minus a negative 1, that's going to become y plus 1 equals negative 2/3 times x minus 0. I'm going to hold off on simplifying just for a second, just because I want to do one step at a time. So what's important here is that we notice that this is x minus 0, which is just x. So I'm going to have y plus 1 equals negative 2/3 just x. And as you can see, the fraction didn't end up being much of an issue because of this x minus 0. So when I subtract 1 from both sides, I get y equals negative 2/3 x minus 1. And then that would be my equation. And we would have gotten the exact same thing if we were to take this ordered pair and the slope and plug it into slope-intercept. And I'll show you by doing that. So I'm going to plug in negative 1 for y. My slope is negative 2/3 times the x value of 0 plus b. Negative 1 equals negative 2/3 times 0 is 0 plus b. 0 plus b is just b. So we're going to have negative 1 equals b. So the problem, though, we do have to take just an extra step and put it back into slope-intercept form. So y equals our slope, negative 2/3 x plus b, or just minus 1, or plus minus 1. Not a big deal on the form there. So there it is. Two different ways.